Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're off-roading, towing, or need a reliable recovery tool, an auto winch can be a real lifesaver. In today's video, we're diving into the best auto winches that offer powerful pulling capacity, durable construction, and dependable performance when you need it most. All the product links are in the description below, so let's gear up and find the perfect winch for your vehicle.
Number 5. Z-Super 13,000 pounds electric winch. The Z-Super 12-volt 13,000 pounds electric winch kit is a powerful and reliable tool designed for off-road enthusiasts. With its impressive load capacity and advanced features, this winch is perfect for Jeeps, trucks, SUVs, and other 4x vehicles. Multi-function remote control. This winch comes with both wired and wireless remote controls, allowing for versatile operation. The wireless remote features a 150 feet range and an indicator light for easy use in low-light conditions. High power performance. Equipped with a 6.4 HP series electric motor and a 3-stage planetary gear system, the Z-Super winch offers a 265-to-1 gear ratio, providing a strong 13,000-pound pulling capacity to assist with vehicle recovery. Durability and efficiency. The winch boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance in various environments. With a unique brake design and a 500-AT solenoid valve, it operates at 25.2 feet per minute when empty and 7 feet per minute under load. Dimensions. The winch measures 516 by 160 by 200 millimeters, with a drum size of 64 millimeters by 223 millimeters and a synthetic rope length of 10 millimeters by 24 meter. Shipping. Ships from Amazon with 30-day easy returns. Support. Lifetime technical support and a 1-year limited warranty are provided. For any issues, Z-Super offers professional and timely customer service. Conclusion. The Z-Super 13,000 pounds electric winch is a robust and efficient winching solution for off-road adventures and recovery needs. Its high capacity, advanced features, and durable design make it a valuable addition to any vehicle recovery setup. Number 4. Champion Power Equipment 4,500-pound ATV/UTV winch. The Champion Power Equipment 4,500-pound ATV/UTV winch is a powerful and efficient tool for off-road enthusiasts looking for reliability and ease of use. Designed for all-terrain vehicles, ATVs and utility task vehicles, UTVs, this winch offers convenience, efficiency, and a complete setup that ensures you're always ready for any challenge on rugged landscapes. One of the standout features of this winch is its wireless remote control. With a range of up to 50 feet, users can operate the winch from a safe distance, providing flexibility and ease of use. The remote automatically powers off when not in use, helping to conserve your vehicle's battery life. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where precise control is necessary, or when operating alone. The winch is powered by a 1.6 horsepower, 12-volt DC motor, delivering a rated line pull of 4,500 pounds. This makes it a robust choice for heavy-duty tasks, such as recovering stuck vehicles or hauling heavy loads. The line speed varies based on the load. It operates at 4.6 feet per minute under full load, and an impressive 12.8 feet per minute with no load. This versatility ensures you can get the job done quickly and efficiently, no matter the conditions. Durability is key for any off-road equipment, and the Champion Power Equipment 4,500-pound winch doesn't disappoint. It features a 38-foot galvanized Super Duty aircraft cable, known for its resilience and ability to withstand abrasive terrains without fraying. Number 3. X-Bull 12-volt synthetic rope winch. The X-Bull 12-volt synthetic rope winch is a high-performance winch designed for off-road enthusiasts, making it an ideal choice for those with Jeeps, trucks, SUVs, and trailers. With its impressive 10,000-pound pulling capacity, waterproof build, and advanced solenoid system, this winch is built to handle tough terrain and demanding conditions. Below is a detailed review of its key features and performance. The X-Bull winch is equipped with a 4.5 kilowatt, 5.6 horsepower permanent magnet DC 12-volt motor, providing a powerful pulling capacity of 10,000 pounds. Whether you're pulling a stuck vehicle or navigating extreme off-road conditions, this winch's motor ensures strong and consistent performance. Its 265-to-1 gear ratio and 3-stage planetary gear system enhance pulling power, delivering a smooth and efficient winching experience, no matter how challenging the conditions. With an IP67 waterproof rating, this winch is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including rain, mud, and dust. This makes it highly durable and reliable for outdoor use, ensuring the winch remains operational even in wet and challenging environments. The 500 amp solenoid valve offers advanced heat insulation and high stability, protecting the motor from overheating or damage during extended use. Number 2. Kotumi Electric Winch Remote Control ATV Winch. The Kotumi Electric Winch Remote Control ATV Winch is designed to offer a solid balance of power and convenience for those who need a versatile winch for light to medium-duty tasks. With a pulling capacity of 4,000 pounds, this winch is suitable for ATVs, trucks, and small trailers. Below is an in-depth review of its specifications, features, and performance. The Kotumi winch comes with a 1,300-watt motor made from all-copper material, ensuring durability and efficient energy consumption. Copper motors are known for better conductivity and heat dissipation, which makes this winch more reliable, especially during long winching sessions. It operates at 12 volts or 24 volts, allowing flexibility based on your vehicle's setup. With a rated 4,000 pounds pulling capacity, this winch is ideal for a range of uses, from pulling ATVs out of tight spots to handling moderate truck winching tasks. The winch delivers a horizontal traction force of 1,000 kilograms, about 2,204 pounds, making it versatile for various off-road and utility applications. For vertical lifting, winch can lift 500 kilograms with a single rope and 800 kilograms with a double rope, making it useful in certain lifting scenarios. The Kotumi winch operates at an idle speed of 6 meters per minute, approx. 19.7 feet per minute. Number 1. Vevor Electric Winch 13,000 pounds. The Vevor Electric Winch 13,000 pounds is a robust, high-capacity winch designed for heavy-duty tasks, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts and professionals who need to pull or lift vehicles in challenging conditions. Whether you're navigating through mud, snow, or rough terrains, this winch provides the pulling power you need to rescue your vehicle. Let's dive into the key features and specifications of this product. The Vevor 13,000 pounds electric winch is built for rugged use, featuring a synthetic rope that provides excellent strength and durability. Unlike traditional steel cables, synthetic ropes are lighter, easier to handle, and safer since they are less likely to snap. The winch also includes a cast aluminum tie plate, which is abrasion-resistant and ensures the winch's components are well protected. The center-mounted control pack is designed for extra strength and durability, adding to the overall stability of the winch. This well-sealed, low-profile design ensures that the winch can withstand heavy usage in harsh conditions.